Hello, I'd like to show you my system. Here's the Pololu motor, magnetic encoder, Hall switch, battery to power the motor, Pololu motor driver, Uno. This is my Hall homing switch. Here, top I have a magnet. This is just a plastic disc that is pressed onto the shaft motor. Pololu motor driver, motor inputs, battery power, direction 1, direction 2, PWM, 5 volt for the board, and negative ground for the board. I'm only using 2 buttons now. I have 3 hooked up. Each button has different resistor value, but they're all fed to A0. So when each button is pressed, it senses a different voltage, but so that way it knows which button is pressed. And then we have 3 wires for the homing switch, which is a Hall non-latching. So yellow is power for homing, A1 senses the Hall effect switch, and then just ground for Hall effect switch. I'll show you the homing routine. So right now the magnet is lined up with the Hall switch. If I press reset or power up, it'll rotate away, come back to the homing switch. But let's say somewhere during the routine it stops here, doesn't know where it is. Power up again, it'll go straight to the switch. So now it's set at home. Okay, so let's hit the reset button. It'll home. Push button 1 revolution, clockwise I believe. Push button 3, 1 revolution counterclockwise, back and forth, back and forth. You can see the little compensation move to compensate for the error because I don't have the PID. So now we'll run the program with the serial monitor. Press button 1, it's approximately 1 revolution. So my target is 930. It actually moved 950 counts. So I do a compensation move, which is backwards 21 counts. It looks at the total count again at 929. Now I'm going to hit the button number 3, which will rotate the other direction. 1 revolution. Target is minus 930. It actually moved 955. Compensated 23. So I'm off a total of 3 counts, and that's from home. So if I cycle through these over and over, 930 should go back to 0. It's off 2 counts. 930 minus 2 counts. So it doesn't work bad, but no PID yet.